Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about breeze, MikroTik breeze. Actually, why we are use breeze? We use breeze for combined ports. If we want to combine the 2 or 3 ports, then we create breeze. Let's see how you can create breeze. If you go to the interface, then you can see only our running interface Ethernet 1 and 2, because we can see there in front actually R, and R means running, right? So these two interfaces are running, and 3 and 4 those are not running. Now if you want to use Ethernet 3 and 4, so how you can use these ports? So in the meantime, you should create a bridge and you should include those ports inside the bridge. So let's see how it's work. So if you want to create a bridge, then first of all you should go to the bridge, then just click plus, then just apply to OK. You created a bridge, right? There is an option is ports. Now you can just click plus, then you can select the interfaces. Our LAN interface is Ethernet 2. Our LAN interface is Ethernet 2. So just we are going to select Ethernet 2, then apply OK. If you want to add Ethernet 3 and 4 in our LAN interface, then just click plus, then select Ethernet 3. Then click apply OK. There is another port in our router Ethernet 4. So we are using all 3 ports as a LAN interface, and Ethernet 1 only our uplink, right? Okay, so now we can see 3 ports we can use. Actually, if we go to the interface, then we can see those are our slave interface. Those are our slave interface. Now if we think Ethernet 2 somehow it's not working, then if you plug in Ethernet 3 in our LAN interface, then you can see your network is working, and also you can use another pieces from Ethernet 2 and 3 as a LAN, so that we can check it now how actually Ethernet 3 and 2 and 4 are working or not. So before that, we can just change IP to address. Then our LAN interface is Ethernet 2, right? But now Ethernet 2 we included in our bridge, right? So just go to the double click here, then select bridge interface. In our bridge we included Ethernet 2, 3, 4, right? Just click apply OK. Now let's see what happened, right? We are going to the interface. Now running interface is Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 1. Our LAN interface is Ethernet 2. So we are just unplug the cable from Ethernet 2, because we know Ethernet 2 is working, right? So we are unplugging it. Yeah. Now we are going to plug in the cable Ethernet 3. You can see we are also using LAN because it's already connected, right? Just go to the router and you see that now Ethernet 3 is running slave, right? So Ethernet 3 we can use Ethernet 3, and we can also browse from Ethernet 3. If we go to the google.com, then now we can using Google from Ethernet 3, right? Plug in Ethernet 4. Just now reconnect, then you can see Ethernet 4 is running, right? So that we can use internet from Ethernet 4 as well as, right? So our Ethernet 2, 3, 4, now all of the port are in bridge. You got the what is the bridging concept, because if you want to combine more interface then we can use bridge. Thank you for watching.